To make a fixture change request, you will need to go to My Fixtures. Changes to fixtures can only be made from here. You can access this from your dashboard or the main menu. You can make a change request for any fixture where you wish to change any combination of date, code, surface or session, whether it be a permanent or one-year change. Identify the fixture you would like to change. You can use the filters to make it easier to search. When you have the correct fixture, click the pencil icon. This will produce a slide-out panel to the right of your screen. On the slide-out, you will see two options, Swap and Change. Click Change to open the change request form. At the top of the form is the latest approved version of your fixture. You only need to select the item or items that you would like to change. For example, if you only want to change the surface, then only select the new surface you would like. If you would like to change code and date, then select the code and date changes you would like to request. You will need to enter a note for the BHA about your change request in the comments box before you are able to submit. Below the comments box, you must also confirm if this is a one-year or permanent change request to this fixture. You will only be able to make one change request per fixture per round, so if you have not yet confirmed your changes, it is best to select Save as Draft in this instance. You can then return to your draft change requests and once you are ready, submit them. When clicking Submit, your change request will be sent to the BHA for approval. The status of your fixture will now update to In Review until the change has been actioned, and you can track the status of your change on your My Requests page.